A smart contract is money with rules attached, and the rules travel with the money. The hard part was never that idea. It was that you had to be a programmer to touch one. This is the contract library inside BitClaw. 136 templates, and nothing here is hosted by us. The catalog, the code, and every instance live on Bitcoin. Start with the vocabulary. 42 terms, written for people rather than for compilers. A hash lock is coins that open for whoever knows a secret. Remember that one. We are going to build it. Alice opens a voting contract. Installing it costs nothing and sends nothing. It only teaches her browser how to read this contract, and the form states the price before she commits. 4 satoshis in outputs, plus the network fee. Deploying is one ordinary transaction that locks coins behind rules. After that, the tally lives in the contract itself, and anyone can spend against it with their own key. Now, the part that usually needs a developer. Alice writes her own contract out of blocks. She loads the hashlock template, and the constructor shows exactly what the stack holds after every block. No hand-counted depths, no compiler. Before Satoshi moves, she checks it. A real Bitcoin script interpreter runs in the browser against the script she just assembled. It passes. And notice what the module calls that. An offline proof, not a mainnet claim. It is honest about its limits. She registers it and publishes. Publishing is not an upload to us. The code is compressed, split into chunks, and written into transactions with one record so that other people can find it. And there is the whole point in the corner. Carol has never seen this contract. She opens the community tab, reads straight off the chain, and there it is. Written minutes ago in this video. She installs it. Her browser rebuilds the code from those transactions and checks it against the hash the author committed to. No app store, no server, nobody's permission in between.